Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add, edit, and deactivate academic cycle in Walico Admin. After logging in, go to the Add Academic Cycle under School Management. Once you are redirected to the page, you can use the filter here to check on the academic cycle of the school. Here you can see that there's no academic cycle for task school 0321. So let's try to create a new academic cycle for the school. Click on Add and fill in the academic cycle details. There are 5 types of attendance in Walico Admin. The first one is daily, which allows you to record the student or the learner attendance daily alongside with their absence reason. The second one is subject-based, which allows you to record the attendance daily for each subject and also allows you to enter the absence reason for the absence learners. The third one is the session-based, which allows you to record the attendance of the learners for each session, morning, noon, or evening. You can also enter the absence reason for each learner. The next one is the monthly absence aggregate, which allows you to record the absence of the learners for the whole month. So you will only be recording the absence to Walico Admin once a month. The last one is the subject monthly aggregate, which allows you to record the absences of the learners for each subject once a month. So you will only be importing the absences once a month. If you want to use the subject absence aggregate or the subject monthly aggregate, you will have to click on the checkbox for map subjects to learner in the at school screen. Now, for example, I will just be selecting daily. Now enter the name of the academic cycle. For example, test cycle 1. You can enter the start date of the academic cycle and the end date. Now, since this is the first academic cycle for the school, then I can just activate the is current year or academic cycle to make the cycle active. Now, since this is the first academic cycle of the school that we will be adding to the Walico admin, so I will just slide this button right here until it turns green to mark that this is the current academic cycle or the current academic year. Once done, click on Add, Academic Year or Academic Cycle Added, click on OK. Here you can see that there's a new academic cycle for the school, test cycle 1. And you can also edit the name of the academic cycle, the start and end date of the academic cycle by clicking on the edit icon under action. Now, for example, I'm editing the end date. Okay, once done, make sure to save it. Academic year or academic cycle updated, click on OK. Now, what if you want to create another academic cycle for the upcoming cycle? You can just do the same steps, clicking on Add, and fill in the upcoming academic cycle details. Okay, since this is for the upcoming academic cycle, I will not be sliding this button right here, so it will stay inactive for now. Once you're done, click on Add. For example, you have re-enrolled the learners from test cycle 1 to test cycle 2 and also graduate the test cycle 1 learners. What you have to do next is to deactivate the previous cycle by clicking on the edit icon and then click on this button until it turns red. Click on update, academic year or academic cycle updated, click on OK, and activate the current academic cycle, which is the cycle 2. Click on the edit icon, click on this button until it turns green, and then click on update. Academic year updated. Okay, and that is how to add, edit, and deactivate academic cycle in Walico Admin.